Hey guys, welcome to my channel and thank you so much for stopping by. So if you are new here, then hi, I am Neeta. I upload makeup, skincare and beauty related videos almost every alternative day. Please take a moment to subscribe to my channel. For that, go to your YouTube app, press that red subscribe button. Also press the bell icon next to it so that you get notification whenever I upload a new video, and it is absolutely free. And if you are already a subscriber, then thank you so much for supporting my channel. So yeah, in today's video I'm going to share with you a magic glow pack. Yes, I call it glow pack because it is a glow pack, and it is a magical glow pack that I have been using for the past 1 month now, and it has been working wonders for my skin, and I just decided to share it with you all because no matter if it is a DIY face pack or if it is a makeup product, if I do not use it or if I do not apply it on myself, then I do not dare to share it with you all. And I have been using it and I have seen tremendous results. That's why I am sharing it with you. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. There are a couple of things I wanted to mention. Like, I noticed some 6 weeks ago my skin was very dry. I have dry skin, but I have never had this kind of dry skin before. I don't know if it is due to my health condition or due to this weird weather change. Like, skin was literally coming off from this area, and my skin was flaky. My skin was like, there was absolutely no glow. My skin was very dull, and it was terrifying. I became scared. Like, I have never ever faced this kind of situation ever in my life. I started noticing teeny mini bumps around my cheeks. I do not have textured skin, but still I started noticing some kind of weird texture around this area, around my forehead, and I was terrified. And at that time I decided to take a step back and I decided to treat my skin first, because no matter what makeup I would apply, it was not sitting properly and my makeup was not looking flawless, and it was kind of freaking me out. So I decided to change my entire skincare routine. I decided to include some extra steps to combat that situation, and I am so happy that I did. And now my skin is absolutely fine. My skin is so glowy, smooth, supple. I have a glow, kind of a glow on my skin, and I am so happy. So stay tuned. My nighttime skincare routine and my daytime skincare routine are coming up pretty soon, because my nighttime skincare routine is way different than my daytime skincare routine. And so yeah, I truly believe that this face pack has helped me a lot. And if you are someone with my type of skin type, anyway, you know what I mean. And if you do not have any glow on your face, if your skin is very dull, rough, and if you need that kind of smooth, plump, younger looking skin, then this face pack is going to be really helpful for you. So yeah, without further ado, let's get preparing the mask. One more thing, you can actually use this face pack every single day. I use it every single day from Monday to Saturday. On Sunday I use something else, but other than that I use it every single day, because I have used mild and gentle ingredients. Those are really great for sensitive skin as well. And this is not drying. I have not used any kind of multani mitti or fuller's earth or any kind of mud like calamine, something like that. So it's not going to dry out your skin, and it is really safe for using every single day. So first I'm taking pure aloe vera gel. Make sure you are using pure aloe vera gel, and I'm taking 1 teaspoon of this aloe vera gel, like 1 teaspoon. Then I'm taking half a teaspoon of mulethi powder or licorice root extract, licorice root powder, like this much. And the ingredients that I'm using all are natural ingredients, and you can find it in any grocery store, or I will find the purchase link. I think you can buy all of them from Amazon, so I will find the purchase link and mention everything in the description box down below, so please do check that out. Now I'm taking like this much. I would not say it is like half a teaspoon. It is like a little less than half a teaspoon. So I'm taking this much of Kasturi Manjal or wild turmeric, or it is called Amba Haldi. So this is a magic ingredient. So I'm taking this. Now I'm taking honey, about 1/4 teaspoon, like this much. Hope you can see. Oops. Last but not least, rose water, about 1 teaspoon. I'm kind of like eye measuring it, but I know I use 1 teaspoon of this rose water because the consistency would be like medium consistency. It is not too thick, it is not too thin, so I want that kind of consistency. So you can customize the amount of all these ingredients as per your own requirement, because for my face and my neck these ingredients are perfect. But if you need a little bit more, you can of course add a little bit more. So just mix everything well until everything is mixed and until you create a very nice gel-like consistency. So I'm just mixing it. Don't worry, I'll be showing you the pack. So yeah. So this is how the pack looks like, and you can see it has a very nice gel-like texture because the base is aloe vera gel. Now start with a freshly washed skin. Now take the pack and apply evenly all over on your face and neck and let it dry, or leave it for like 15 to 20 minutes and then just wash it off using lukewarm water. So you saw how easy was that, and this face pack is a life-changing thing. It has helped me a lot. I have used aloe vera gel, which has moisturizing properties in it, which just smoothens out your face, and it is antibacterial. It helps to soothe sunburn, and it helps to get rid of all your hyperpigmentation. And rose water, we all know it is again really helpful for your skin. It soothes your sunburn, it helps to minimize your large pores, it helps to get rid of all your hyperpigmentation, and it also moisturizes your face. It helps to maintain the pH level of your skin. And honey, it also has antibacterial properties. It helps to get rid of acne scars, dark spots, pigmentation. It moisturizes your face, and it has like tremendous skin benefits as well as health benefits. I have stored mine in this empty container right here because you know I do not want to throw away this kind of container. I always reuse them, so yeah, I have stored mine in this. So Mulethi is really great for brightening of your face, and if you have pigmentation, guys, Mulethi is going to be your best friend. Mulethi helps to get rid of all those dullness, darkness from your face. It helps to get rid of suntan, sunburn. And if you do not find licorice or Mulethi root powder, you can use licorice root extract or serum. It is a magic ingredient, and I know that dullness that I used to have on my face, Mulethi has helped me to get rid of that dullness, and it has given me a very nice glowy skin. And Kasturi Manjal, again I have stored it in this empty container. Oh my god, this stuff is amazing. So this is a magical ingredient, trust me guys, this is magic in a bottle. Now, Kasturi Manjal, if you are someone who is suffering from acne, pimple, sensitivity, or some kind of bumps on your skin, like I said, I had some kind of bumps around my cheek, this is going to be your best friend. This helps to get rid of pimple, acne, like it is a magical product. Not only that, it also helps to get rid of your facial hair. Yes, if you are someone who is suffering from excessive facial hair, apply this face mask, and this stuff will help you to get rid of your facial hair in like 1 month. I have seen a noticeable difference on the growth of my facial hair with this stuff. It also brightens up your face. If you have dry skin, dry patches, it will help to get rid of all your dry patches, eczema, and it will brighten up your face, and it will help to get rid of all your unwanted wrinkles, and it will give you a younger looking skin. So this stuff is really great. So this is the main benefit of this face pack, and you can of course use it every single day. And guys, just include this face mask in your skincare regime and you will definitely see a noticeable difference in like overall your skin texture and your facial hair growth and stuff. I highly request you, please do try this particular face pack and you will see a huge difference, like a huge difference. And if you do try this face mask, then please let me know your experience with this, because sometimes we invest in like expensive skincare stuff, but guys, these are all like all natural ingredients. And honey, aloe vera gel, rose water, they're easily available at home, right? You need to buy Kasturi Manjal and licorice root powder. Those are the two things that you need to buy separately, and once you just get all these ingredients, you are sorted for like 1 year. So guys, please do try this face mask and let me know your experience. So yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, then please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel. And if you are not following me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter, please do follow me there. All the links will be given in the description bar down below, so please do check that out. So yes, see you soon in my next one. Till then, bye and take care. Mwah.